In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pipedrive CRM in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to customer relationship management systems or transitioning from another platform, this guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and seamlessly, ensuring you're all set to manage your sales in no time. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to your search engine. Type in Pipedrive CRM and hit enter. This search will direct you to the official Pipedrive website. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent option to log in. If you're already a user, you can enter your credentials here. However, since we're setting things up from scratch, let's proceed with trying it for free. Click on Try for Free, which is highlighted on the home page. Now, it's time to sign up. You can do this in a couple of convenient ways. You can either enter your email address directly or, if you prefer something quicker, sign up with your Google account. Choose the method that suits you best and proceed. After selecting your preferred sign-up method, you'll be prompted to create a password. It's important to choose a password that is both strong and memorable. Then, verify your email through the link sent to your inbox. This step is crucial to finalize your account creation. Next up, you'll be prompted to provide some personal information. Enter your name and job title, and take a moment to answer a few questions about your experience with sales tools. These questions help tailor the Pipedrive experience to better suit your needs. Following this, you'll need to indicate your primary goal for using Pipedrive. Whether it's managing leads, closing deals, or something else, this will help the platform provide features and tools relevant to your objectives. Once you've specified your goals, you'll need to enter some details about your company. Go ahead and input your company's name, size, and industry. This information helps customize the CRM to better match your business context. With these details filled in, your account setup is nearly complete. After your account is all set up, the next step is to navigate to the Deals section. Here, you'll find your sales pipeline. To make it truly reflect your business, define and customize the stages that make up your sales process. These could be stages like qualified, contact made, or negotiation started. You can define these stages to best fit how you naturally work through deals. Feel free to enhance your setup by adding custom fields designed to capture specific information about deals, contacts, and organizations that are unique to your business. If you've been maintaining this data in spreadsheets, you can import it directly into Pipedrive. This feature is incredibly helpful to sync your current contacts and deals without any data being lost in transition. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to start exploring Pipedrive and get selling. Enjoy a streamlined sales process as you bring all your sales activities under one roof.